going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to go over something important here with Dogecoin today. But right now, look at this chart right here. This chart is going up. We're still on the uptrend, so yes, Dogecoin is still going up, but we need to talk about something important. So let's look at what we have today. So we have a lot of hate going on here with Dogecoin. So many people are hating on Dogecoin right now. Look at this article by the Motley Fool. They always release trash articles every single time. It says AMC versus Dogecoin, which is the bigger pump and dump scheme. They don't even know what they're talking about. They say even though we have 7 months left in 2021, there's little question that this is going to be remembered as the year retail investors made their presence known. Beginning in January, retail investors on Reddit, Wall Street Bets chat room began piling into stocks with high levels of short interest, blah, blah, blah. They're still talking about it. And honestly, this guy, he honestly does not know how to write articles. Like, he's writing the worst article right here. He is just bashing retail investors, even though a lot of people made millions of dollars off of this. A lot of normal people became rich off of this because this is what the people needed. We needed to come together and rise like this. But it's just so much crazy. It's just so crazy how much hate is going on with Dogecoin and with all the other different stuff here. Like it says, and the biggest destroyer of future wealth is AMC and Dogecoin. Literally, they said AMC or Dogecoin. They are the biggest pump and dump scheme. That's what they're saying. And they said, as you can probably tell, like neither company as an investment. He does not like either as an investment. They hate Dogecoin. They hate AMC. You can see this hate all throughout the Motley Fool. They always release these articles about Dogecoin that just have straight hatred in them. And they're just throwing dirt on Dogecoin's name. And it's different writers every single time. It's not the same writer. So I bet these writers get maybe threats by the Dogecoin community maybe all the time, because look, they just have so much hate for, you know, the people with the whole Doge community. Look, they always post even on their own Twitters and nobody ever likes their posts. Look at this. This is one of the writers to those articles. They literally get no love on Twitter. But then when you look at the Twitter feed for Dogecoin and you look at all the love that the people on Twitter get for Dogecoin is going to rise because we have an actual community. The Motley Fool has no community like Dogecoin. But see, so many haters, these haters, they don't have a community. They don't know what it's like to be part of, like, you know, the community of investing. Because when everyone invests as a community and then we just buy it just off of the fact that we know it's going to go up because more people are going to buy it just because of the meme, that's how you know it's going to be a good investment. Because if it just goes up based off a meme, you know that it has potential, because the memes just keep coming and coming and coming. When you have the second richest person in the world, the second richest person, I mean, Elon Musk is the second richest person in the world. When you have him, you know, so heavy on one thing, Dogecoin, you know, Dogecoin is going to go to the moon. But they keep hating on Dogecoin. Elon Musk said he's going to bring it to the moon, but they still hate on it. This is another hatred, a hatred written article here from the Motley Fool. Again, 2 unstoppable stocks that will leave Dogecoin in the dirt. What stocks are they talking about? Amazon. Oh my, Amazon is so overpriced right now. It's so expensive. It's so hard to get Amazon right now because it's so expensive. You can only afford about 1 share of Amazon unless you have Robinhood, and you can get, you know, half off, or, you know, not half off, but, you know, a fraction of a share. But if you check out the link in the description, you could sign up with my Robinhood link. But yeah, look at this. And then they say Pfizer. I don't know what that is. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's some pharmaceutical, but you know, they cannot ever beat Dogecoin, because look over here at how much Dogecoin has on the return on investment. So return on investment currently, Dogecoin is at 56,000%. We are up 56,000%. Amazon is not up 56,000%. There's nothing else that is up 56,000%, but Dogecoin is up 56,000%. And we went up 368,000% when we got all the way up to 70%. Or 70 cents, I mean. But yeah, so, but how are these people going to hate on Dogecoin when Dogecoin is literally doing better than these both of these stocks? And here is another article. They just keep writing these just stupid articles. I mean, there's so many different hatred things about Dogecoin, though. You will always find something stupid about Dogecoin where they're hating, but we do have love. We have love from the community. But I guess this video is just to say, do not listen to the hate, because I feel like they're trying to lower the price of Dogecoin. I feel like that's what these articles are all about. Like, look at it. Another one right here. Forget Dogecoin. Hive stock is a much better stock. And now it's like Yahoo Finance used to talk good about Dogecoin. Let's see what we can find in here. Okay, so they say a rebound in crypto could be a positive catalyst for Hive. So they're saying that because Dogecoin is dropping, it could be a positive catalyst for this stock Hive. I just don't get what they're. All right, so they just don't like Dogecoin, I guess, right now. But I mean, they used to write good articles about Dogecoin, and now they're just talking bad. And maybe they're following the Motley Fool's role, or I mean, maybe because the Motley Fool is getting views off of talking bad about Dogecoin. So maybe they're trying to get views from talking bad about it. But Hive blockchain technologies, I mean, Dogecoin is still going to do good regardless. And Dogecoin doing good would help out Hive because it's a blockchain. It's a blockchain company, so it would help out. So I don't know what they're talking about there. And then they say why you shouldn't follow in this Dogecoin millionaire steps, like because he invested all his money in Dogecoin. But when Dogecoin reaches $1, he'll have $10 million. I've already read about this one, so that is why he's holding Dogecoin. Because why would he sell it right now for like 700K when he could sell it when it reaches $1 and get $10 million? Like, it's obvious you want the $10 million, And there's so many different articles hating on Dogecoin. Look at this, SafeMoon, new Dogecoin or Ponzi scheme. So they're hating on both Dogecoin and SafeMoon. So they're pretty much hating on community-based cryptos. That's what I'm seeing here, because they're hating on Shiba Inu, they're hating on Dogecoin, they're hating on SafeMoon. These are all community-based cryptos, and they're hating on every single one of them. So it's kind of crazy how this is happening. And then you look over here, the Dogecoin bubble will burst. Three smart stocks to buy instead. So what three stocks are they even talking about? They're saying ditch Dogecoin for these superior stocks. Teladoc, they're talking about Teladoc Health, Lovesac, and they're talking about Salesforce. Like, come on, they're not gonna ever beat Dogecoin inside of return on investment. We have a 58,000 or 56,000% on return on investment. That's huge. That's way bigger than anything that those stocks could ever produce. And another one, look, another Yahoo Finance. Will Dogecoin go up again? Buy these two growth stocks instead. And see, they're just really trying to get people to sell it and sell it and sell it. I'm not going to sell any. I really feel like these companies, they're trying to get people to sell it so then they can buy it at the dip. And that's really what we've seen. That's why we were dropping huge, just because all this hate that they're just putting out there. So people seeing that, people that usually don't invest in Dogecoin, and they see that, they're like, maybe this is right, because they're already not that sure with Dogecoin. So that's how this happens, and that's how we start to lose market cap. But it's not all negative. I mean, we still have some people that are really big with Dogecoin. Like, even whenever you go over to Google Trends and you type inside of Dogecoin, you still see that we are still trending within like the past. We're not trending as we were, but we're still trending higher than we could be. So Dogecoin is still on the trend, but we just need to start trending more. You can see that it's going down, down, down as the price starts to go down. But honestly, we are starting to see an uptrend, so that we can see a reverse inside of what just happened here. So what I'm hoping to see a reverse on this trend line, continue to go up, continue to rise, and then we might drop down, back down to the trend line, just because of the FUD, the fear, uncertainty, the doubt, and then just continue to follow the trend line upwards slowly but surely. But a major catalyst is definitely needed, such as an Elon Musk tweet. So Elon Musk, if you see this video, all it takes is one Elon Musk tweet for this to be reversed, because we already did it. We already bottomed out. Like, look, we bottomed out. It will not go any lower. It will just fluctuate between this area, and we have been between this area for the longest time now, and that tells us we have consolidated and we are good. We are ready to go up. We just need that major catalyst to send us up at a faster pace, faster rate. So Dogecoin is about to reach its peaks right now. It's about to go back up to 70 cents. But first we have to pass 35 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, and then we got to get past 70 cents. That was a huge point of resistance for us in the previous past. But once we get past 70 cents, we'll finally get to $1. I really believe by July we could get to $1 with Dogecoin. But honestly, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe. Let me know what you think about in the comment section. If you think that all this hate is unprecedented, or if you think that Dogecoin could be the #1 crypto